Starting ClickBank with $0 is not a disadvantage. In many ways, it's an advantage. When you start with no money, you're forced to focus on the fundamentals instead of shortcuts. If I were starting ClickBank today with $0 and a long-term goal of $10,000 per month, the first thing I would invest is time. Time is the currency beginners overlook the most. ClickBank does not require upfront capital. It requires effort and consistency. The platform already provides products, checkout systems, and payment processing. Your role is exposure and explanation. The first step would be choosing one product. One clear offer with a defined problem. I would avoid jumping between products because focus is more valuable than variety when starting from zero. Next, I would choose one platform and commit to it, not multiple platforms, just one. This simplifies learning and accelerates progress. Mastery comes from repetition, not multitasking. Then I would create content that educates instead of sells. When you start with $0, trust becomes your most valuable asset. People don't trust aggressive sales messages from strangers. They trust clear explanations. I would explain how affiliate marketing works, what ClickBank is, and why most beginners struggle. These topics already have demand. You don't need to invent ideas. You need to answer questions people are already asking. Another important step would be setting realistic expectations. $0 today does not mean $0 forever, but it does mean accepting a slow start. Most people quit because they confuse slow progress with failure. Content creation is a long-term game. Early videos rarely perform well. That's normal. Each piece of content improves your communication and helps the platform understand who to show your content to. I would also avoid complexity. No funnels, no paid ads, no automation. One link. One message. Simplicity keeps you moving forward. Over time, I would pay attention to feedback. Comments, questions, and engagement tell you exactly what your audience needs. This feedback is more valuable than any course or training. As results begin to appear, confidence grows. Confidence improves delivery. Better delivery improves results. This feedback loop is how momentum starts. $10,000 per month does not happen quickly. It happens after trust and consistency are established. People who reach this level usually stayed focused while others got distracted. Starting with $0 forces discipline. It teaches patience. It removes excuses. Those qualities matter far more than money in affiliate marketing. That's how I'd start ClickBank with $0 and work toward $10,000 per month the right way. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.